How to fix guided access not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your settings, then scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. In this page, you're going to find different options. Over here, you'll see the option of Software Update. Click on that option. Just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Now try to enable guided access. Your problem might be fixed. If you still encounter the issue, what you can do is first restart your device. For that, you have to use these buttons. Press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. After Apple logo appears, your phone will be restarted. Once you force restart your device, launch your settings. Go to the main page of settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of accessibility, then scroll all the way down. Head towards the option of guided access and enable it. With that, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix guided access not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.